urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County, Richland County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of Mount Gilead to 27 miles southwest of Cardington and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Mansfield, Ontario, Shelby, Cardington, Lexington, Chesterville, Belleville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio, Morrow and Richland.
A special weather state